Hi! In front of me is POCO M4 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by opening Play Store and downloading your new defaults. I will go with browser. As you can see, mine is ready, so all I need to do is close Play Store and go into Devices Settings. In those settings, scroll down, click on Apps under Battery, select Manage Apps, and finally hit those three dots at the top right corner. Now you can tap on Default Apps. From here, just tap on one of those categories that you wish to manage and tap on your new app to apply it. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!